how to fix link directly opening up on a browser in our Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can fix that issue if you're trying to open up any of the links available in your device, like if anyone has sent you a link and it will be opened up in a default browser. These are the methods you may follow up and you should be able to fix it and open it within the app. So let's just get started. First of all, head over and open up your device and head over to the main settings of your device. Once you're here, scroll down and reach to the app section. Head over to apps. Once you're here, select choose default apps. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be finding the default apps here. For example, Chrome is one of my default browser here. So in order to not open it up on our default browser, you can find this option called opening links at the last. You can just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be finding this option right here which says open link in apps. So you're just gonna go ahead and enable this option right here. So what will happen is that if you open it any kind of links in any kind of app, it will particularly open it in that same app, in the same surrounding. So if you disable it, it will open up in a default browser, but if you have enabled this option, it will directly open it in the app itself. So that is it. So that is how you can fix up the link direct opening up on browser problem on your Android device as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.